6, which is all about rational functions, equations, and inequalities. So for now, wala tayong solving ngayon. We are just going to identify or differentiate what is a rational function, equation, and inequality. So ito yung one of the easy, pinakamadaling lesson natin for the whole semester. Okay, yung identifying what is a rational function, equation, and inequalities. Okay, so before we proceed with regards to those three, let's have a quick review on what is a rational expression. Okay, so pag sinabi natin rational expression, it is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. Okay, so pag sinabi naman natin polynomials, it's either the given equation have a variables, degree of exponent, and a polynomials by itself. Okay, so ano nga ba yung polynomials? It is an equation that consists of trinomial terms, monomial terms, or binomial terms. Okay, so kapag sinabi naman natin, it can be written as a ratio. Okay, automatically, it is in the form of a fraction form. Okay, and the next one is a rational expression can be described as a function where either the numerator, denominator, or both have a variable on it. So, gaya na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, that the rational expression is in the form of a fraction form which consists of the numerator yung nasa taas and denominator yung nasa baba, wherein they have both variable on it. Kapag sinabi natin variable, it's either x, y, a, b, c, d, so on and so forth. But the most popular used type of variable is syempre yung ating x and y variable. So, ma'am, how can we determine if the given equation or the given algebraic expression is a rational expression or not? Masasabi natin that the given algebraic expression is a not rational expression kapag yung kanyang exponent is a negative exponent. And if it is have, or the given equation have a radical sign or yung square root. Okay, ayun lang, dalawa lang yan para masabi natin that the given algebraic expression or equation is not a rational expression kapag ang sign ng kanyang exponent is in negative and also meron siyang radical sign or square root. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga example ng ating rational expression? So we have here 2 over x. Bakit siya naging rational expression? Because it is written as a ratio of two polynomials. So itong 2, this is an example of monomial term and also x. Kapag sinabi natin monomial, ibig sabihin 1 term, means 1 mono. Okay, kapag sinabi naman natin binomial, from the words itself, by, ibig sabihin 2 terms. Trinomial, ibig sabihin 3 terms. Okay, so dito kay 2 over x, wala naman kayo nakikitang negative exponent and wala rin kayo nakikitang radical sign. Therefore, this is an example of a rational expression. Next one. Ayun, so we have here x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x plus 1. Okay, so yung kanyang numerator is a trinomial term, 1 term, or first term, second term, third term, and yung kanya namang denominator is a monomial term. Yung first term niya is si x, and yung second term niya ay si 1. Okay, so therefore, this is also an example of a rational expression kasi positive naman yung exponent ni x. Okay, and wala naman kayo nakikita ditong square root, so therefore, this is an example also of a rational expression. And next one, we have 5 over x minus 1. Ay, sorry. X minus 3 pala. No? Okay. So, example rin po yan ng rational expression kasi wala naman tayong nakikitang negative exponent and also wala tayong nakikitang radical sign or square Okay, ayun lang lagi niyong tatandaan na para masabi ninyo that the given expression is a not rational expression kapag first is merong negative exponent and second is merong radical. Okay, therefore that is not a rational expression. Okay, how about you guys? Can someone identify the following algebraic expression if they are rational or not? Okay? Again, you are going to identify the following algebraic expression if they are a rational expression or not. We have here example number 1. We have x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 4. A rational expression or not? O Carlo?
Ma'am, rational expression po.
Okay, that's correct. This is a rational expression. How about this one? We have here 1 over 3x squared. Bakulanlan?
Rational po.
Okay, that's correct. This is a rational expression. How about this one? We have x squared plus 4x minus 3 all over 2. Padasas?
Rational expression po.
Okay, that's correct. This is also a rational expression. How about this one? Square root of x plus 1 all over x cubed minus 1. Okay, Velasco?
Not rational po.
Okay, that's correct. Not rational because of the square root or yung radical sign na nakikita ninyo. And next one, we have x raised to negative 2 minus 5 all over x cubed minus 1. O kain.
Not rational po.
Okay, that's correct. This is not a rational expression dahil meron siyang negative exponent. Okay, di ba? Napakadali nga identify if the given equation is irrational or not. Okay, next one. So, we may now proceed since alam niya na kung paano ma-identify if the given expression is irrational or not. Now, we can now proceed with regards to rational equation, inequality, and rational function. Okay. So, first is we're going to talk about rational equation. So, napakadali lang natin ma-identify if the given equation is a rational equation or not. Okay? So, kapag sinabi natin rational equation, sabi, it is an equation involving rational expression. So, we have here the given example. We have here 5 over x minus 3 over 2x is equals to 7 all over 2x. Okay? So, kapag sinabi natin rational equation, so from the word itself, equation, it means to say that the given equation have an equal sign. Okay, again, kapag sinabi natin rational equation, from the word itself, equation, it means to say that the given expression have an equal sign. Okay? And also, dito sa rational equation, we can also find the given value of our x. Okay? Or we can also check that the given equation is equals to 7 over 2x because 5 over x minus 3 over 2x is equals to 7 over 2x. So, lagi niyong tatandaan, kapag rational equation and ang given equation is merong equal sign, so therefore, that is a rational equation. Equation equal sign. Okay? Next, how about the rational inequality? So, kanina, kapag sinabi natin rational equation, meron siyang equal sign. Dito naman sa rational inequality, sabi, it is an equality involving rational expression. So, we have here the given example. 5 over x minus 3 is less than or equals to 2 over x. So, from the word itself, inequality, it means to say that the given expression is not equal. So, dito sa rational inequality, ginagamitan natin siya ng mga symbol or sign na not equal sign. Okay? So, ano nga ba dapat ang mga symbol na dapat natin makikita sa rational inequality aside kay less than or equals to? Anyone? Yung mga not equal sign or Aryan?
More than po.
Okay, that's correct. Or greater than, okay? Greater than. How about the others? Ano pang pwede? Aside kay less than or equals to and kay greater than. Yun lang bang dalawang pwedeng gamitin na symbol? O galsin.
Less than po.
Okay, that's correct. Less than. Ano pa? Oh. Ayan, Mumbai.
Greater than or equal to.
Okay, that's correct. Greater than or equals to and yung okay, Devera.
Less than or equal to.
Yes pala. Okay, that's correct also. So, plus banggit na rin po yan. And also yung not equal sign. Okay, so when it comes to rational inequality, ginagamitan natin siya ng symbol ng mga not equal signs. So, there are the less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, greater than sign, less than sign, or hindi ko pala na-input yung not equal sign. Okay? Ayan. Napakadaling ma-identify if the given expression is inequality or equation. Again, rational equation, meron tayong equal sign. Rational inequality, yun yung mga inequality sign like greater than, less than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equals. Okay? But how about when it comes to rational function? How can we identify if the given expression is a rational function? Okay? Sabi dito, rational function, it is a function of a form f of x is equals to p of x all over q of x, wherein p of x and q of x are polynomial functions and q of x is not the zero function, or q of x is not equals to 0. Okay, so based dito sa ating given definition ng rational function, okay, sabi, bawal daw na ang given value ng ating q of x is equals to 0. So, ano nga ba yung q of x natin? Ito yung ating denominator. Okay? Si q of x, yun po yung ating denominator. Si p of x, yan po yung ating numerator. So, bakit bawal na maging 0 ang ating denominator? So, kapag naging 0 po yung ating denominator, therefore, that the given expression is undefined. Okay? Again, kapag ang denominator natin or si q of x ay equals to 0, therefore, that the given equation is undefined. How about kapag si p of x naman, yung ang value niya is 0 or yung ating numerator is 0. Therefore, that the given equation is equals to 0. Okay? Again, kapag ang denominator natin ay equals to 0, undefined. Kapag ang numerator naman natin ay equals to 0, therefore, that is also equals to 0. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung example ng ating rational function? Okay? So, lagi niyong tatandaan, when it comes sa rational function, meron siyang f of x na sign. Therefore, ibig sabihin, you are going to find the value of f of x. Hindi porket may equal sign siya, automatically, it is a rational equation. Kaya titingnan niyo muna kung meron siyang given na f of x sign, kasi we are going to find the value of our y also. Again, f of x is also finding the value of y, and y is also finding the value of f of x. So, based on sa given example natin, we have here, f of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x plus 1. Okay? So, pwede rin naman siyang y is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x plus 1. Okay? Again, kapag hinahanap natin si value ng f of x, therefore, we are also looking for the value of our y. Okay? Because f of x is also equals to 1. Okay. So, rational function, equations, and inequalities. So, when it comes to rational equation or inequality, we equation in finding the value of our x. Okay? While on the other hand, sa rational function naman, it can be expressed a relationship between variables such as x and y and can be represented by a table of values or a graph. Bakit table of values or a graph when it comes kay rational function? Kasi, rational function have a relationship between x and y. So, kapag ginamitan natin siya ng table of values, okay, we are going to find the values of our x and also the value of our y. Okay, when it comes to rational function. How about sa graph? Sa graph naman, di ba, meron tayong two axes which is si y and x-axis. So, si y and x-axis can be expressed as a rational function wherein si x and y axis siya yung nagdi-divide ng 4 regions sa ating Cartesian plane which are si quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Pero hindi na natin matatakal yung pag-solve kay rational inequality and kay rational function. Magpo-focus tayo next week on how to solve a rational equation. Okay? Okay, how about you guys? How come, what you're going to do now is to determine whether the given is a rational function, a rational equation, a rational inequality, or none of this. Or none of this. Okay? Before you determine if the given expression is equation, inequality, or a function, is i-identify niyo muna if the expression is a rational expression or not. Kapag not siya, ibig sabihin none of this. Kapag rational expression siya, therefore meron siya, ma-identify niyo siya kung saan siya nabibilang. It's either it is an example of rational function ba, equation, or inequality. Kapag not rational expression yung ating equation, therefore none of this yung sagot niyo, ha? Okay, we have here number 1. We have 2 plus x all over x minus 1 is equals to 8. Okay, Velasco?
Rational equation po.
Okay, that's correct. Rational equation dahil meron tayo dito equal sign. Okay? How about number 2? We have x is greater than square root of x plus 2. Okay, Castillo?
Rational inequality po.
Rational inequalities. O, kasasabi ko lang sa inyo kanina. Identify first whether the given expression is a rational expression or not. Okay? Okay. How about Gayapanaw?
None of this po.
Okay, that's correct. None of this. Kasi meron tayong radical sign, no? So, therefore, kapag merong radical sign, yung expression natin is not a rational expression. Okay, number 3, we have f of x is equals to 6 minus x plus 3 all over x squared minus 5. Lagi down.
Rational function po.
Okay, that's correct. This is a rational function. How about number 4? 2x is greater than or equals to 7 over x plus 1. Benosa?
Rational inequality po.
Okay, that's correct. This is a rational inequality. How about this one? X over 2 is equals to 4 all over x plus 9x cubed. Di maunahan.
Rational equation po.
Okay, that's correct. This is a rational equation. How about this one? De Vera?
None of this po.
Okay, that's correct. None of this. Bakit? Kasi yung ating expression is not a rational expression dahil merong radical sign. And this one, 2x raised to negative 4 is less than or equals to 10x raised to 6. Lalapas.
None of this po.
Okay, that's correct. None of this kasi yung kanyang exponent is negative. Okay, and last one, we have 3x all over 5 plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 5x all over 5. Padasas.
Rational equation po, ma'am.
Okay, that's correct. This is a rational equation. Okay, o ayun lang. Ayun lang for our lesson number 6. Okay? So later on, you will be having your activity number 2 and 3. So from Rush, ano ba yung last topic natin?